Sony Corporation of America and Universal City Studio. This was the case of 1984, 1990s case. Okay, what was the issue? Issue was whether manufacturers of home videos recording devices could be held liable for a copyright infringement. So we have seen in trademark that platform providers, whether they are liable. So here what is the issue, like that video recording devices producer, whether they are contributing to the copyright infringement, whether they are liable for the copyright infringement. Now these companies therefore opted to sue Sony and its distributors in US District Court for the that Central District of California. That was in 1976. So that decision is taken by this Universal Studios and a Walt Disney production. Now what was the contention? That Sony was manufacturing a device that could be used for a copyright infringement, and therefore company is liable for the infringement because they are providing the devices for that. So that is the contention. Now complainant that additionally they have included that there is an unfair competition claim among the that was under the Lanham Act, but this was dismissed early only in this that course, and the outcome in this case we can say that individual copies of a complete television shows that purposes of a time shifting does not constitute a copyright infringement but can instead be defended as a fair use. So